Tsaka guys, ano yung tawag dito? Ito ha, if I can pa-request lang, ha? Huwag niyong i-compare yung mga likes, yung sold, yung benta. Kasi there is no competition between me and Christian. Let me just clear that up, okay? Ngayon, ayoko sana na nakikita na nagko-compare kayo ng likes, ng benta, kasi magkaiba yung niche namin. Okay? So, hindi siya healthy kahit para saan, kasi the only competition that I can see is myself. Alright? So, I don't want na maging competition yung sa amin. Kasi yung kanya is magkaiba yun. That's a completely different story, a completely different business than what I am doing. So as much as possible, please do not compare me to anyone, especially with Chani, kasi he's doing his own and I'm doing my own. Alright? Kasi nakikita ko minsan na tawag dito, mas marami kaming likes. No. We don't do that. We don't do that here. Okay?